Are you done? Oh, oh. Do you want to take a break? Is it working? Can you, is it hurt?
The white stuff pops or is
Is it? I think it's just nail. Yeah, done? Okay. Oh, can't take it. This is all we've used this saw for, and what, how many years ago? What, 10, 12?
Drill press.
Drill press, whatever. Drill press, first time used, at least we kept it for this reason. To, what is this, relieving the pressure off your nail? Per Amy Drake's instruction, my sister. She knows he has to do this. Right, Kev? Yep. Oh. You got it? Done?
Alright.
All done?
It's no big deal, really.
Yeah. Third try. No, fifth try, right?
6.
We've got it. Oh, gosh. Oh, he did it. There it is. There it is. Finally. Shh, don't loss. How's that feel? Sweet relief.
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh,
Stop. That doesn't seem like a lot. We're out of here.
I finally drilled a hole with a drill press into one of my opposable thumbs. It burst. It shot me up here in the forehead. Loss of blood was extreme. I hope to cauterize and live to fight another day.
I'm gonna take a bath.
Okay. Sounds good.